Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
Hello, we are so happy you're here today.
My name is Daniel.
And I'm Olivia.
Today, we will learn useful English for booking a doctor's appointment by phone.
This is an important everyday situation.
You can use these sentences when you need to call a clinic.
The English is easy, practical, and perfect for beginners.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Let's get started.
Good morning, Green Clinic. How can I help you?
Good morning.
How may I help you today?
I would like to make an appointment.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Olivia Brown.
Thank you, Miss Brown.
You're welcome.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
I understand.
What is the next available appointment?
We have one tomorrow at 10 a.m.
That works for me.
Great.
What should I bring?
Please bring your ID and your health insurance card if you have one.
Okay.
Please arrive 15 minutes early.
No problem.
Can I have your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-1234.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your appointment is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
We look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now let's practice useful English for phone appointments.
Great.
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Is the doctor available today?
Is the doctor available today?
When is the next available appointment?
When is the next available appointment?
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Tomorrow is fine.
Tomorrow is fine.
That time works for me.
That time works for me.
Can I change my appointment?
Can I change my appointment?
Can I cancel my appointment?
Can I cancel my appointment?
What time should I arrive?
What time should I arrive?
What should I bring?
What should I bring?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Let's learn some useful words.
Ready.
Appointment.
A time to meet a doctor.
Clinic.
A place where doctors see patients.
Receptionist.
The person who answers the phone and helps you.
Patient.
A person who sees a doctor.
Doctor.
A person who helps people when they are sick.
Fever.
A high body temperature.
Sore throat.
Pain in your throat.
Available.
Free to meet someone.
Confirm.
To say something is ready or agreed.
Phone number.
The number people use to call you.
Today, let's learn I would like.
We use it to ask politely.
I would like to make an appointment.
I would like to see the doctor.
I would like to change my appointment.
Very useful.
Now let's learn can I.
We use it to ask for permission or help.
Can I make an appointment?
Can I change the time?
Can I cancel my appointment?
Easy and polite.
Let's practice together.
Repeat slowly.
Appointment.
Appointment.
Receptionist.
Receptionist.
Available.
Available.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Medicine.
Medicine.
Great job.
Keep practicing every day.
Good afternoon, City Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Certainly. What is your name?
Olivia Brown.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache.
We have an appointment on Friday at 2 p.m.
That works for me.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
I will. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Olivia, how do you ask to see the doctor?
I would like to make an appointment.
Excellent. Daniel, how do you ask about the next free time? When is the next available appointment?
Perfect.
How do you tell the receptionist you have a fever?
I have a fever.
Great.
Everyone listening, how would you ask to change your appointment?
Say it out loud now. Have you ever called a clinic in English?
Tell us in the comments.
Which sentence from today's lesson was the most useful?
Write your favorite sentence below.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe for more Easy English podcasts every week.
Today, we learned useful English for booking a doctor's appointment by phone.
We practiced making appointments, talking about simple health problems, and asking useful questions.
Try listening to this episode again and repeat every sentence.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope to see you again in our next episode.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Have a healthy and wonderful day.